We're here in the cafeteria today working on our culinary kits for our Intro to Culinary students and our baking and pastry classes. We are working together in partnership with Chartwell to make sure that we can still create an experience for students in the classes. So we're creating kits of ingredients that the students will come and take home with them, along with equipment as needed, and the teachers will be able to cook with the students in a remote setting. We have about 250 students total that we're creating kits for. So as you can see, we have a lot of boxes in the cafeteria.
We're building the kits for them to take home, so they'll have all the ingredients for their baking and culinary recipes. We had to portion out huge bags of flour, sugar, butter, oil, and put it in individual bags, and then label each package with the ingredients so the students will know salt versus sugar or flour. We sourced everything from our distributor, and they came in and we just started unpacking, portioning, and now we're putting all the boxes together.
We're in baking and pastries, and I'm excited to bring this home so we can finally start cooking.
Can't wait to get home and bake food and eat the food. It's gonna be really fun.